Donna Schwartz here from the Everything Saxophone podcast, and we're at the NAMM Show 2024. All the podcast episodes at the NAMM Show this year are sponsored by Rovner Products, celebrating their 50th, yes, their 50th anniversary. I'm here at the Marca Reeds booth, and they have something that's totally new. I mean, brand new. I just stopped in my tracks like 5 minutes ago, and I just met Nicolas, and we were talking about the new, this is Marca Reeds, but it's the unique. So we're going to be talking about these reeds. So tell us a little bit about this.
This is a new Marca Unic. Is made with the raw cane and enforced with synthetic fiber. We put synthetic fiber inside the cane, and they give a long life, approximately to 6 months to maybe 9, depends on the musician.
Wow.
Yes, it's amazing. It's a world innovation. Nobody in the world does this.
Okay, so just as a recap, this is different than any of the other reeds out there. A lot of there's some reeds out there that have some raw cane tendencies or whatever. They're treated like cane, but they're not really. This actually is a cane reed, but it's reinforced with the synthetic fibers. So how, talk a little bit about, how to, I mean, you use this reed like a normal cane reed. You have to wet it,
exactly.
all that kind of thing.
It's made like a normal cane. The process of the production for inside the enforced synthetic fiber is do before cutting. We do with the cane, the tube cane. We put the synthetic fiber inside this cane, and after you can begin a new process for make a reeds like a normal reeds. And after the musician use the reeds like a normal reeds. He waits, he play, he make everything like a normal cane. And this during 6 months with the same stability, humidity control, no change, is really good. It's a world innovation.
And someone should rotate their reeds though, right? You'd still recommend rotating the reeds and all that kind of thing?
Yes, like a reeds.
And wetting them, yeah.
Wetting them, using during 20 minutes, and after, if you have 1 or 2, you can turn, and each day you can use without problem. You can play during one hour, really stable.
Do these reeds, you know how reeds will, if you store your reeds dry, will the tip of these also warp?
A little.
Okay.
A little because it's only 5% of synthetic inside.
Okay, that's why.
95% is cane.
Got it. And how do you produce so how do you, I can't picture how you're getting synthetic in here. It has to be mass produced because that's... Yeah.
It's a difficult process because when you put the synthetic fiber inside the cane, we need, after put in a high temperature for stabilize the resin inside, and after we can produce. But it's a little more difficult to explain like this.
Yeah, for sure. And Marca Reeds, I mean, again, I've interviewed the folks at Marca Reeds before, okay, if you can see that. Great quality reeds, a lot of people play them, but this is definitely very unique. And no pun intended, because it is
because
unique.
It's the name.
It's the name. It's a model name. Awesome. That was great. So, aside from the name, right? It's not just one style of the Unique. You have other
the
things.
Unique is the name of the model, and after the cuts, you have 4 different cuts. We have Unique Studio for jazz, but woody reeds. We have Unique Jazz for smooth jazz, really soft reeds, and after you have 2 other cuts for classical. One Unique Classic, really easy, and the Unique Elite. Elite is a sticker blank. It's more blank sticker, and can extend the life also with the material.
You got to show me that.
This, the Elite.
How interesting. Okay, and now here's the other question I had too. So we have a reed pulled out. Just going to show it close up. The one thing though, I guess because it's the synthetic fibers, this is where this different coloration.
Yeah, the coloration is due to the when you need to stabilize the resin, you need to increase the temperature to 80 degrees Celsius.
Okay,
it's for that it changes a little the color of the cane.
Okay, so it's not something to worry about because a lot of times you see a regular raw cane reed, you don't want to play it if it looks like that. This is different.
It is normal.
This is totally different. Okay, I'm going to give you a back view also. Okay, so if you buy these, don't be alarmed. Okay, because this is what this is going to look like. How long did this just come out?
Yes, we just launch in January, and the first delivery will be approximately February, March for all the instruments, because we do for all the instruments B-flat clarinet, bass clarinet, and all the saxophone. So soprano, alto, tenor, and baritone in quarter strengths.
Okay, now in terms of the strengths, what are the strengths that are offered?
It's similar to the regular cane, but we do quarter strengths: 2, 2 plus, 2.5, 2.9 plus, etc.
Great. And in terms of the strengths, this compared to like regular Marca Reeds,
Yes.
is it the same strength?
Yes, same strength. If you use regular cane in 2.5, you can buy in a 2.5. If you are in between 2 strengths, 2.5 or 3, we can buy 2.5 plus.
Got it. That's great because that gives people more options for sure. And again, the important thing, it still is a cane reed. So, you got to be careful because it can get chipped. So you got to be super careful.
Yeah, with this, you have both the quality of the cane reeds, the sound really colorful, and the life of the plastic.
And that's. Let me ask you this question too, because you had the two qualities, the cane and the synthetic. So if people are living in a very dry area, right, this is going to help with the synthetic in there.
Yeah, because when you are dry area or humid area,
right,
that help a lot. Because 90% of the time with regular cane is difficult. With this, you'll solve the problem.
That's great. Well, I'm so glad that I just happened to see this and I stopped in my tracks, because this is definitely something that's unique and I think a lot of people are going to try. Where can they find these reeds?
Actually, our distributor will be distributed in Sweetwater, Fred Weiner in the US, Amazon, Musician Friend, and a lot of different shops.
And also, what about the website, Marca Reeds?
Marca Reeds, also marcareeds.com.
That's beautiful. All right, thank you so much for taking the time. I know
Thank
you have to
Donna.
get to a meeting. Thank you.
Thank you.